So at this point you're probably wondering, how did I get here? Or did I click into the wrong video? Well, either way, please keep listening. And yes, so this week is a phone swap challenge. So lads and ladies, yeah, phone swap challenge. 7 minutes, swapped each other's phones, and it was pure carnage, I have to tell you. So yeah, basically could inflict as much cringeworthy damage as you want in 7 minutes, with slight restrictions. You can't text family, can't text work, which is probably acceptable. And yeah, that's basically it. Everything else was just hell for leather, and see what fucking damage you could cause in 7 minutes. And by God, there was plenty of damage caused, guys. Right, enjoy the video.
What is this out of context?
It's like 3 years ago. I don't know, man. I'm letting the boys go through my phone.
DMs straight into the DMs.
What did you do?
Oh, well, you haven't even opened them yet. So.
Bit cheeky.
I don't know if that's a compliment or what. Oh, well, you said very cute though.
Yeah.
For that. That's
It's
cute.
called negging.
I should have fucking sent them a bunch of those stickers, you know, from like when we were kids and you have like in the mood for a new.
Shuffle, oh nice.
Oh, that's a tune.
It is
Oh, good.
coming soon.
Oh, voice recorder. Let's go, let's go.
It goes hard, doesn't
It
it?
does. I can see why you would make that a voice now.
Then Kendrick stole it.
Oh, they're all
Multiple
just
chorus,
tunes.
people style.
There's some that are like that's talking and all this shit.
Yeah!
Oh no, that's the thing from history, man. That's that's a sort of rap video about it.
Okay, Adam. You were 14 and you didn't want a picture on your regular snap. Allegedly. You're the next so and so. What's that? Exactly. What the fuck?
I didn't think of a band name.
Oh.
It's really funny when you know exactly what's meant to be.
Yeah, wait.
You're just reading them.
I feel like that's.
Yeah.
You can't give a name of band an inside joke.
Yeah, exactly.
I am very fond of the background now. I nearly double checked just to make sure I'm in it, but
Hang on.
oh, I am, baby, and so is Danny Boy. Right,
Agreement.
fair enough.
Who's that?
Oh, here's me in the back.
Oh yeah.
If you're struggling with no FLC,
Oh man, I haven't even gone through anything.
I was gonna go through my TikToks.
just remember,
I've never seen that machine before.
ing lasts seconds, but victory is forever.
I don't even remember that one. That's not the quarry as well. Oh, you should have done it naked. It would have been more funny. Probably would have got taken down.
Oh,
but-
God.
Yeah, but Sarah, she was recording, so I was gonna strip down.
Oh, Payne, where's the game?
Yeah.
That would be a great
I
title.
like these one
for
lines,
any
man.
kind of video.
Like,
I
yeah.
feel like you could make anything. and
And
turn that
that's
into a
exactly the
video.
only thing you come up with things like that. It's
Like you get people clicking on that even if the video is pure
For
bollocks.
sure, yeah, the experts are all going to school.
What is this out of context?
It's like 3 years ago. I don't know, man.
Oh, the fucking man strike again. The fucking destroyer.
Tune in next week where we swap clothes. Oh, are you gonna be so?
Well, no. They're going through my phone now. I'm gonna start the timer as soon as Adam sits down, so.
Fuck. Wait, you screen record?
Hurry up the fuck.
Oh, you have to unlock it, you bastard!
Right, don't be.
Yeah.
About the screen recording thing, in fairness.
What's your memories?
This is where we'll get him now.
Don't remember any invite to that one now.
No, I don't actually remember either.
Oh, actually, no. Yeah, that was when you.
Oh yeah, you're very fucking quiet with that one. Tinder?
Oh, did you have Tinder? Did you match with her?
Did you match?
Oh no, I just thought that was funny, lads.
You know-
Bare arse,
You know when
like-
you just like a girl so much you don't even swipe on her? Like you just screenshot.
Why do you match with me and then leave me
I
alone?
don't understand. It makes no fucking
Don't
sense.
respond.
Holy fuck, you have so many matches. I got like 2 on Tinder.
Wait, can I see what she said though? Because she
That was a good one-liner now. I like that
Oh
one.
yeah, no, but there was one of the girls though that she actually said 4 kilometers away, so there might be something there. Now.
Right, okay,
Okay,
so
okay.
stay away from
Okay.
her.
Yeah, most of them don't even reply to it. Like,
Okay, so
Because you're the person that you can.
why do you match with me and then leave me?
I don't
Like, what?
understand. It makes no fucking
They're
sense.
responding.
To it, like.
Okay, so
Because you're the person that you can.
Oh, are you gonna be so? Text people who didn't even fucking reply to me.
So if you're any of these girls gotta respond to this now, this is some pretty good content.
Or recently deleted, maybe.
Oh, Jake. That's probably just
Go on, yeah, good.
people who don't
Get
use notes.
Android lead.
And
to do
people
this.
who
Strive for progress,
Yeah.
not perfection.
That is actually a good one.
That's a good quote. No, I like that.
Guinness. Just Guinness.
Just
I don't know what those from.
Some of these aren't winners now.
Be taken down.
Whoa, that's a lot of money.
Yeah. Ah.
That's a lot
Making
of money.
money.
Big money, John boy.
Oh. Don't. No. Oh, are you gonna send it to people, man?
No, I'm gonna post your story.
Oh.
No.
Yeah.
Fucking God! Shiver me timber.
Yes, lad.
Oh.
Another cousin.
Okay. You have a lot of cousins, man. I don't know.
No, they definitely are. Like.
Oh! He's checking my phone now.
Yo,
Way!
Yo,
no.
go.
Hit me
Welcome
up with
back
the
to my
Hombres.
channel.
We're
Welcome
gonna
back.
fuck that life up in 7 minutes.
It
Oh
can't be
fuck,
done.
timer. Sorry. Okay. Okay, boys. 20 minuten. Oh shit. I'm scared. Not too stingy. You can literally do whatever the fuck you want anyway.
Oh, you are not gonna get Astrid wet on here, man.
You never know.
Astrid, lad. I know
He
Astrid
could get
replied.
He could get Astrid wet anywhere.
She replied.
No. No.
No, okay, I'm gonna.
I'm trying to get Cal the Dragon.
Alright.
Literally, this is going to seem pathetic compared to Vinny's now.
Sure, we won't show everything.
You have
now.
14 likes, lad.
No, like,
I- pay for goals,
I
you
have
just
0 fucking oh,
Ooh.
you've 2.
yeah, exactly.
Wait, you 12
It's
matches, but you're half of them are gorgeous, man.
No,
Okay,
but
well,
yeah, well.
Can we send something to them?
Go on, yeah.
Okay, I'm going through the.
No, I don't
Ah,
have
we have
fuck.
to-
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna
can
pick I'm gonna pick one of them that actually like that I feel like you could do with. I'm pretty sure that's ex-girlfriend.
No.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Oh, yeah,
that's
no.
like second year, third year, like.
Yeah,
but
but
still.
still.
No, I don't care, boys.
No, I'm not gonna text her, but I'm just
Text her.
saying you
You
should
don't
know.
text her, I
You
don't
should
give-
know that it can yank,
We've
man.
got 7 minutes late.
You have 7 minutes. Do whatever the fuck you want, lads.
Stop saying that.
It works every fucking time.
No, it did not.
I'll have you know it's like
Alright,
a 9 to 10 ratio.
Do we solve the 10? Didn't we looked at
You
11.
only thought
we looked at 11. We saw the 10 that said no.
Right, and now for the risky one. Straight to Jack.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
we got it.
Oh, yeah.
Now next podcast will be Dan will be won't be busy because he'll be too busy riding.
Writing.
Are you an American?
Sure is.
Oh no.
I'm gonna shoot kids up in you.
That's actually cool. I like that.
They used to work on you, though.
Yeah,
I feel like when you are a kid at the time, though, it's not as offensive.
Yeah,
Whereas
now
now
that
that
could
we're
happen.
adults, it's a bit weird, but
Yeah.
are you an American school? Because I want to shoot kids up in you.
The Dan Maher routine.
Oh, God.
I didn't even know
Actually,
people use their notes. Like, I literally use it, then delete the note.
Guinness 147.
Yeah, one magic
Magic
numbers
number,
for God
Terabithia.
knows what, like.
Oh,
I see us
he's
in the
fucking-
middle of September, showing people the way we used to be.
That's song lyrics.
Did I say
That's
it
song
was?
lyrics.
Okay.
Oh! Oh!
Imagine Dan on top of the hill singing like that. Wait. What time did you write this at?
Oh, I don't know. I'd love to say like 3 a.m. so I have an excuse, but oh no, that's why. That's why I went straight to notes because I knew how cringy. Oh.
Okay, this is done by Dan at 8 o'clock in the evening.
Oh my fucking god.
Snapchat.
Oh no, I'm
Right,
definitely the one really suffering out.
Wait, so we are allowed to text people on
You
Snapchat?
do whatever the fuck you want.
No.
I don't care.
Okay, in fairness, Danny doesn't mind. Danny.
Okay.
Oh yeah, wait here. I'll just so you don't know what to do.
Well, Dan.
So if your left leg was Christmas and your right leg was Easter, would you let me come between the seasons?
Would you?
You should put a few like lads or some words that I would say to make it believable. Like
Yeah, you're always
don't
bad.
put an X in because I lack affection.
You
I'm just so worried who this is going to be too now.
Because if it's on his story, people know.
Yeah, people know it. If it's to someone, it's...
Oh, but the picture behind it as well.
You look good.
I'll try to edit out it's making me
He's already burning your 7 minutes, boys, and I'm
Yeah,
grateful.
come on.
I'm grateful
Vinny,
because
come
of shit I don't want you to see. They can't get that. That's my mum. My mum will Snapchat you.
Seriously?
Sophie Meyer.
That's my yeah, no family.
Okay.
Like I have not a
In
very
fairness-
Oh, maybe not. Actually, no. Don't do more.
just no, you know you go if you want.
Okay,
No,
go
go on.
Great.
Just my family and work. I just want.
Cass Malone.
Yeah, go on.
There you go. We're gonna have to edit out these names and we're saying them.
Ah,
Yeah, go on.
grand.
You're sweating, man. Okay, that's gonna do it. Lovely. All right.
Done, John.
No!
Oh, well, we sent them.
Yeah, we got the snap set.
Is it
anyway.
over?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh god.
Thank you so much, Daniel.
he's shook.
Thank
he's
you for this
shook.
experience. Do you want to see who we texted? Oh,
Murph took a fucking screenshot.
Clack it, Murph.
Send it to my fucking sister. Oh Christ.
Has she opened it yet?
Oh, she's open a hand screenshot. Like,
Lovely.
brilliant, just a winning combination.
He's happy out, are you?
I'm calling 100 people that are in the possible people you could have sent it to.
Yeah. No, we were just looking for girls who've left you on red, and we didn't know your sister would be one of them.